Hey you guys, so today is Friday, May the 17th, and I am not working for myself today. I will not be at the creative space today. I am working for somebody else. I'm doing, hey, how are you? I'm doing the cleaning for someone. Hold on a second. Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I come here.
Huh?
I come here to do something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just a cleaner.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead on, handle your business. Uh-huh. But yeah, I'm cleaning today out of town, um, out of state actually. Um, Everything is going good so far. I have to mop, sweep, do the windows, dust, and paint everywhere. So I got to get all of that stuff up. So, but yeah, y'all, I will let you know how it go, and I'm taking pictures of everything so you will see it. Okay. Love you, bye. Y'all, that dust. That thing is getting me good. Do you hear me? Oh my gracious, honey. Whew. After about 4 or 5 sneezes, I put this mask on. Well, put my mask back on. I did the kitchen countertop and the kitchen and living room floor first. And I just did the second sweep to that. That side room is already done because it's a 3 bedroom in here. And the second room, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that one or not because it still got like pallets, like work supplies and stuff in there. So I'm just gonna jump to the third room, whatever. But before I do that, cause like I'm like out the way, you know what I'm saying? And people keep walking in and out or whatever. So the reason why I went on ahead and I finished that first room was because that room already done, and I knew won't nobody gonna keep coming back and forth in there, track my floor and stuff like that. I second swept the kitchen and the living room and the bathroom, the laundry, and that hallway area. That's the second sweep on that one now. I went to my car to get my bag out of there because I forgot to get kitchen spray, stainless steel spray, and trash bags. I forgot those three. Cause I'm just so used to having those. I don't really like, you know what I'm saying? Cause like when I buy stuff at two. Like I try not to run out of anything. Um, I had put my mop and broom in my creative space. So I had to go buy a new mop and broom. So I just like mark those with like tape or something and just put those as for my cleaning customers and cleaning jobs and just use that other mop and broom for my place. So yeah. Now, as you can see, the bathroom is, wait a minute, that way. That's done. Hallway, laundry room area that way. So I'm about to start all the way from the living room, come through the kitchen, hit the bathroom, then hit the hall, then hit the laundry room, and then go into that room. And I'm gonna clean the windows to that other room where the supplies is in, but I'm not gonna sweep them off the floor. Yeah, you guys, and I'm gonna go back over the sink and a little bit over the countertop. And that'll be it. It's not a refrigerator in here. It's not a stove in here, so I don't have to worry about those two. But yeah, about to finish that and talk to you guys later, alligator. All right, y'all. I am done with everything. Last bit is just to clean back off this island where my supplies were sitting at and clean out the sink, and I will be completely done.